3, yun, deeper south, deeper south, deeper south. Hit, kill. Nice kill. Go back northeast. Go back northeast. Ilan din sila, max DI nila. Hold here. Wait lang, mag-open mic lang ako. Open mic lang ako sa
8:30. Yo, look.
Shallows. OC now you OC. No you OC.
Yo, look.
West side no boys in 5, 4, 3, turn west side no. Hit. Namatay si ano? Hold there. Sige lang. It's okay. We're still fine. Hold there. Sinong caller nila? Watch. Yo, sa southeast side ko.
Pupunta na sila southeast.
Yo, come northeast. Come southeast side. Yeah, come southeast side, boys.
Baka near.
Come southeast side. Magpakatch, Rizak eh. Careful, shallow. Holding. Careful. Get ready, bata. Yeah, holding. Yo, boys, just on the gate, boys, in 3, 2, 1, just on the gate. Hit. Nice pole hammer. Good pole hammer. I like the shit. Cycle again. Sino caller nila, pre? Careful on the gate. Careful. Sinong caller nila?
Hindi pa...
Yung shield labas ka nga. Magsa-southeast over daw ako. Careful. Alright, wait. Yo, boys, engaging southeast over daw boys in 5, 4, 3, 2, southeast over daw now. Hit. Go back now. Careful.
Yo, look.
Careful, shallow. Help your boys. Heal Shion in front. Help Shion. Cycle on me. Yo, boys, just on the gate now, boys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, just on the gate. Hit.
Pinupupok nila yung suicide side, ha?
Alright. Just hold. Cycle. Hold me. Cycle on me. Yo, huwag kayo dyan sa alay. Dito kayo sa akin. Huwag kayo dyan sa alay. Hold it.
50% gate.
Hold it. Yo, boys. Yo, wait. Yo, fake on the gate now, boys. In 3, 2, 1. Fake na. Sabay kayo sa fake. Wait, holding. Yo, boys. Yo, careful,
30% gate.
Engaging east side of the gate now, boys. In 3, 2, 1. East side of the gate now. Hit. Then go back west side. Click. Come carpet now, boys. Come carpet now. Yo, engaging deeper northeast on the carpet now. In 5, 4, 3, turn deeper northeast. Hit. Then go back southwest. Hold there. Just hold there. Careful, ready defensive sa nasa. Ready guard dun sa. Come southwest side. Stay away from the carpet. Come southwest side. Yo, boys, come with me. Follow me.
Suicide 40% gate.
Yeah, follow me. Defense follow me. Wait. Get ready to help.
60%
Yup, holding. Yo, boys,
Hit shield.
4, 3, 2, 1, just on the gate. The front. Namatay siya pa. Cycle on me.
Why?
Come northeast now, boys. Yo, engaging deep northeast now, boys. In 5, 4, 3, turn deep northeast now. Oh! Fake farm these motherfuckers, man. Comes out now. Cycle on me. Click. RDS walk. Click on the click. Wait, hold there. Cycle on me. Click again. Def. Yo, engaging deep northeast now, boys. In 5, 4, 3, turn deep northeast now. Rigir lang kayo. Dyan lang tayo. Mag-rigir kayo. Rigir, boys. Rigir. Hold it. Careful, click west. Holding, boys. Yo, engaging shallow southeast now, boys. In 5, 4, 3. Shallow southeast na. Hit. Go back north. Cycle there. Hold me. Cycle on me. Careful na dito. Careful in front, ha.
Kakong gandang hit.
Nice hit. Wait. Come southeast again. Wait. Step up, boys. Wait. Yo, engaging now. Deep east now, boys. In 5, 4, 3. Turn deep east now. Abutin nyo. Deep east. Almost. Clear. It's okay.
Hindi umabot yung RB mo.
Yup, it's okay. Cycle again.
Papasok na, papasok na, papasok.
Yes, sagalagan. Careful lang with the wala. Careful lang, mag-click dyan na.
Nag-hyper sila.
Sagalagan, boys. Tell me, wait, ready ba kayo, boys? Ready ba kayo?
Engage.
Step up now. Click in. Yo,
Purchase na namin. Inuhuli namin.
Deep is now, boys. In 5, 4, 3, don't deep is now. Hit.
Nag-airing sila.
Go back west. Pills now. Oh, patay yung caller. Second pass, boys.
Pushing in pa rin sila. Pushing in pa rin sila.
Wait, careful.
Hit.
In 5, 4, 3, don't deep is now. Deep is tayo naman first. Nice. Sagalagin.
Marami pa, 20 pa.
Step up. Sagalon me.
Going down southeast.
Dito, step up now.
Yo, Shepherd's stacking.
5, 4, 3, yun, southeast over down. Hit. Oh
Yo,
my
Shepherd's
God, nice.
stacking.
Careful shaper. Come now. Second
Si
layer, hold it. Step up. Huwag na natin pahingayin. Step up. Ditang step up. Manon, wala akong mana. Step up, keep on. Huwag niyong pamantapin. Careful, holding. Go back inside.
Ay, no, yung baka, may loot yan.
Go back inside. Careful shallow. Hold. Holding. Oy. Wait. Come, wait. Holding. Just holding.
Malayo. Pwede ka mag-kick.
Fake on this guy. Fake shallow. Yup. Wait. Careful.
Nag-hit siya nga, Bri.
Careful. Yup. Kita ko. Careful. Yup. Dito lang tayo, George. Diyan lang yan. Just hold.
George.
Kidnap nga ulit. Wait. Step up nga. Nagantay na rigiran. Kailangan natin bawasan sila. Step up.
Gusto mo hit din sa dungeon?
Step up. Yo, engaging deeper southeast now, boys. In 5, 4, 3, don't deep southeast now. They're gonna north. Pass.
Ilungin.
Careful. Guard rules on the gate. Heal me. Come inside.
Oh my God, thank you,
Second,
little
hold. Come southeast again. Step up, boys. Step up. Yo, engaging now on the north now, boys. In 5, 4, 3, don't southeast now. Patay ba? Come inside.
Hindi namatay.
Okay pa kami. Mag-rigger kayo, boys. Hold it. Careful on the gate. Defend the gate. Catch them. Step up. Dito, step up. Careful on the gate. Holding.
Veteran dyan, no? Sa Buccaneer.
Holding, yup. Okay lang yan. Holding. Mag-loot kayo, boys. Mag-loot kayo. Holding. Just holding.
Iwan pa rin sila.
Just holding. Magre-rigger yan sila. Babalik yan.
Yo, careful mga naglulot ah.
Malaki pa sila, 22 pa.
Ano yung
May
body ni Aris sa gate?
may clamper pa.
20 plus.
Just be careful.
Boy, yung doon sa war.
Nice one, thank you.
Ching up.
22 pa.
Hindi ko malap.
Yo, get ready to headbutt for the alley.
Hindi dyan mga dyan sa pera.
Wait.
Nag-aantay ng rigger yung mga yan, Marchan, ha?
Para magsiset up yung GA nila, lugin sa south mo ha.
Veteran, lapit to.
Okay, kita ko. Just hold it, boys.
Pwede ka mag-engage dito sa west.
Ano na, nabulot ko na.
Malayo.
Buhay pang gather ko.
Rapping south.
Tingnan naman sila southwest.
Come south now.
Malay na.
Click west now. Come south now. Follow me, boys. Come southwest now. Malayo.
Southwest.
Come north now.
Almost gate.
Come north now.
Tower.
Careful. Holding. Yo, engaging deeper west side now, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, deeper west now. Hit. Go back east side. Yup. Come north now. Cycle on me. Feel ko pre, magpapack lang to. 1 ditang nga sa east side ko. 1 ditang east side. Careful lang, get ready to headbutt, wait.
Going east side. Going east side.
Holding. Yo, engaging on the gate now, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now. This is big, this is massive. This is fucking everyone. Good job. Sakal again. Yo, boys, 1D tanks got sa northeast side ko, ah. Baka ano kami dito, ah.
More
Holding
24.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, holding.
Looking. Wala sa
Mark
northeast.
mo kasi Sangkay.
Holding.
Bam yan.
Holding.
Sangkay.
Holding. Yo, fake. Yo, ano nga, occult tapos mag-fake boots kayo. Yo, boots now, occult now, and fake on the gate now in 3, 2, 1, fake now. Yo, engaging on the sword mark now, boys, in 5, 4, 3, on the sword mark now. Hit. Almost. Go back. Cycle. Get ready, demons. Ready defensive. Ilang percent yung gate? 70%. Yup, 70%. Just holding.
Sa northeast side mo.
Yup, holding. Get ready, Yo, engaging on the side of the gate now, boys, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side of the gate now. Nice kill. Good job. Sakal lang. Gago, ano, Bray, lagi kang piso.
58% gate.
Alright, just hold. Come inside now, boys. Follow me east. Get ready to hit deep southwest.
Magta-tower ka?
Holding. Yup, holding. Just holding. Wala sila sa gate?
Wala.
Wala nag-i-inchap. Alam nilang nandun ka.
Just hold. Baka nag-east side gate ko na naman, ha? Wala ba ako, may detox ba? May scout ba ako sa
Checking
east side
ulit.
ko? Alright.
Tambay ka
Checking
lang.
ulit.
Sampay ka lang.
Sige, tatambay ka lang.
Patambay bukas na kasi.
Just holding.
Kaya nga. Puro rats na yung pumapasok.
Just hold. Yo, kaya ba mag-pass engage sa shallow sa ano lang, sa
Ay, may
naka-sword mark
pumapasok
lang?
na.
Sige lang. Yo, boys, pass engage on the sword mark now, boys, in 3, 2, 1, the sword
Isa,
mark now.
dalawa, tatlo.
Go back. DPS, faster,
Sila pumapasok sa Lord Room.
Mabagal pa, DPS, cycle. Click inside, mababasag. Click inside.
Ito, dalawang buccaneer.
Yeah, careful. That's a fucking fake. Careful.
Touch of the wall, boy.
Yo, magpa-flank ako dito, ano, Bray, dyan ka lang, Bray, magpa-flank ako. Come with me.
Brawlers yan, nasa suicide.
Come with me.
Ay, suicide Marchan. Suicide na lang. Legit.
Come suicide now. Catch na nga itong mga nasa suicide. Catch na. Catch na. Yung engage yung nasa suicide now in 3, 2, 1, nasa suicide now. Hit.
Tangan nila.
Ginagawa nila.
Ikaw, mo na, Gio.
Ay, nasa si Pera, patay nyo.
Come southwest. Sabi mo kung hindi mo na kaya ano, come southwest. Cash ito. Yeah, cash ito.
78% gate dito sa sa west side.
Push them southeast. Push them, boys. Don't random drop. Catch comes up. Yo, engage yung deeper southwest na boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, deep southwest na come back. Wala, dito na yan. Detox. Okay lang yan. Hold it. Cycle.
Naglulok na sa'yo, ha?
Hold, come
Keep
on. Careful shallow. Keep on. Yo, engine south on the boys in 5, 4, 3, on the gate now. Keep on, west. Nasa likod yun na manitanan.
Brawl ka na.
Pat. Come Lord room. Hold it.
No, Marchan. Pwede ka west.
Second. Kamis now.
Ay, wala na. Pasok na.
Wait. Come hold it. Yo, kailangan natin i-push nasa west side. Kailangan natin i-push nasa west. Careful. Wait. Yo, defense, ready to click west side.
Nag-fake sila sa west.
Wait, holding. Wait, go back north. Yo, engage now, east side over the wall na west in 5, 4, 3, southeast over down now. Southeast, go back north. May nagbabash sa atin na go north. One hit, mag-play ka ng Lord Room 1 hit. Tapos magkabilaan tayo dito, west side ka, east side ako. Play Lord Room. Come north. Careful shallow. Careful, bang nyo sila, palayo. Gagon, laki na club. Yo, get ready to hit sa carpet, on the carpet. Yo, engage
Isa
na
sa
on the carpet
southeast carpet.
in 5, 4, 3, 2, deep southwest now. Go back north. Holding. Yo, dito hold yung carpet. Hold holding.
G.
Just holding here.
20% na tong gate, mababasag na to.
Bok lang sila, palayo nyo sila, boys. Palayo nyo.
Panito.
Careful. Careful, careful, careful. Southeast na, careful dito. Careful. Just hold.
Okay sila sa carpet, careful, careful.
Dito sa harapan natin. Yung engage now dito sa shallow line. 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Hit. Ginagawa mo dyan. Patay nyo, please. Patay nyo. Kill him. Hold your second pass. Push out nyo sila. Just hold. Are we ready? Come na this. Click, come southeast now. Keep going southeast. Get ready defenses. Demons. Keep going southeast. Then southwest now. Yo, looking tayo northwest now, double boys. Looking deep northwest now, boys. In 5, 4, 3, deep northwest now. Then come southeast, go southeast. Run. Sa'yo ng laban, gago. Just out.
Ito pang blob na pumasok.
binubugbog ako ng taga. Putang ina.
Just out. Nagdagan sila, may panibagong zerg,
Ping 7, di Ping 7. So, lalaban to, Ping 7.
Out muna. May reduce pa ba kayo? Pwede tayo mag third party, may ping 7 pa daw. Pwede tayo mag third party.
Tara. Yo, pera mo ko, Hodge. Marika na lang.
Binubugbog ako ng taga.
Earthron.
Pera.
Yun, nasa akin Hodge mo.
Rigir, boys. May pang rigir tayo. Dri.
Trade mo lang sa akin, Marika.
Nagagi pa out yung Ping 7. Ano to?
Ayaw ng ping 7? Bakit?
Nagpa-northwest.
Trade mo kasi yun, trade mo.
Sabihin mo kung gusto kong kasal lang.
May yards pa naman.
Pwede pa nang dagan.
Wala. Nag-zone out sila.
Putang ina mo, sobrang dami ng Flying Dutchman.
Kago sa
Okay, ikaw
pakiting
bumalik
ng
ng LFM. Pwede mo i-rat yung LFM.
Wala, nag-zone out yung Ping 7.
Nawala daw yung ping 7.
Pussy.
Ano, one tap dun sa...
Wala na tayong demons ata. Wala tayong defensive ata.
Naubos yung demons tol.
Masakit yung engage nila.
Dapat pala, ay!
Tatlong engage yun
Hindi, okay lang eh. Hindi ko rin expect na nakasunod pala sa likod yung isa.
Pumatok din ako nung pag-engage nila.
Ay, 6
Putang
stars.
ina ng dagang.
Okay lang, maganda naman natin content. Good content boys, still good content.
Ay,
Nanalo na rin yung
We kill a most like over people and over builds. 8
Alin?
yun ko na lang out.
Marcha, I don't have
AR?
build.
What bro?
I don't have build.
You don't have gears now? How many times you die?
3.
3?
May die,
Wala pa kami.
Good review.